In this how-to, we're going to talk about cost explanations, in particular how the explanation heading is different from the menu label. This is important because one should probably be longer than the other. One thing that has changed in this release is that it used to be that the cost heading, the cost explanation heading, used to be what was used for the menu. Now, the cost explanation heading can be as long as you like. And because it is no longer in the menu, and the menu is actually controlled separately, it will now look exactly like you would expect it to. So, the cost explanation heading can be as long as you need it to be, and the menu can be whatever you need it to be. So these are no longer the same. And taking a look at what the cost section looks like for your traveler, you might want to improve the messaging that appears here. This message is controlled within your planner interface by going to Update Trip, Settings, and then scrolling down to the message that is emailed after registration and shown until payment is made. So here you see we have a little too much extra space, so we can put this here, and we can even embed a video if we want to from here, or produce a link. But generally, you really want to emphasize for them to pay below. Once that change is made, we can refresh and see the simple instructions shown here. This will also be emailed to them when they register, as well as shown in a pop-up. So whatever information you need to put here, for example, maybe a coupon code, you can add that here. Thanks for watching this how-to. To learn more about how YouLi makes group travel easy, check out the rest of our playlists or go to youlivetotravel.com.